Hey, this is CK here with Rough House Sports and Cooking in association with our Tri-Tips and Triangle Jiu-Jitsu and Grill Club. Today I'm making hot sauce from scratch. Here is my beloved chili garden. My red peppers and my jalapeños are ready to pop so I can pick them, as this recipe calls for 40 red peppers, 2 jalapeños, and 2 bell peppers or Lunchbox sweet peppers like these guys. The next step is to cut the caps off the peppers and then cut the peppers up. We're also going to add 5 cloves of garlic and cut them up as well. I highly recommend you use Hawaiian salt for your hot sauce. So we'll do about a teaspoon of the salt in the blender. Next, we're going to add a teaspoon of sugar. Now, my Lunchbox peppers are not as big as bell peppers, but they're sweeter, and I do want that sweet in my hot sauce. Next, a cup and a half of white distilled vinegar. And I wanted to add about a half a cup of apple cider vinegar. Next, we're going to blend everything together. Once I get to that fine liquidy consistency, I'm going to go ahead and drain the seeds and pulp and put it into a pot so I can boil it and do kind of a reduction. I let it boil for about 4 minutes and then turn it down to a simmer for another 2. One more time in the blender to do a final chop and mixing. Strain it one more time as it goes in the jar to save it. And there you have my orange Amigo hot sauce. And oh my God, is it good. Sweet and spicy.